Hey everybody, this is TVNicholasKrauss, and today I am doing a quick test on the Panasonic HC-V130 camcorder. It is a camera I got for Christmas this year, I believe. Yeah, I did. So, yeah, I think it's a really good camera. It's full HD, and I think it has night vision too. Yeah, it's a really good camera, and I recommend it. Yeah, just testing out the outside of it. It looks good. Yeah, I just don't know what to say, honestly. So, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video for now. This is TVNicholasKrauss saying, good day.